Another day, another story. The amazing benefits of eggs. Introduction. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an egg-citing topic to discuss: the incredible benefits of eggs. Whether you like them scrambled, fried, or poached, eggs are a versatile and nutritious addition to your diet. In this video, we'll uncover the numerous health benefits that eggs have to offer. So, let's crack into it. Segment 1. Nutrient Powerhouse. Eggs are a nutrient powerhouse. Packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals, they're a complete package for your health. Segment 2. Heart Health. Eating eggs can be heart healthy. They improve your cholesterol profile and reduce the risk of heart disease. Segment 3. Eye Health. Your eyes will thank you for eating eggs. They're loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, protecting your vision. Segment 4. Weight Management. Need to manage your weight? Eggs are your friend. High in protein, low in calories, perfect for weight control. Segment 5. Brain Boost. Boost your brain power with eggs. Choline and omega-3s support memory and cognitive function. Segment 6. Cooking Versatility. Don't forget their versatility. Scramble, fry, or poach eggs fit every meal. Conclusion. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and nutrition tips. And as always, feel free to leave your comments and questions down below. In a nutshell, eggs are awesome. Remember to enjoy them in moderation as part of your balanced diet. Like and subscribe for more health tips, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.